In this video, I'll show you how to open an image as a layer in Photoshop instead of opening it as a new document. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Here we are inside a Photoshop document. Let's say I want to add another image into this existing project. Now, if you go to the top menu, click File, and then click Open, and select your image, Photoshop will open that image as a completely new document. That's not what we want. Instead, to add the image as a layer inside your current project, go to the top left and click File, then choose Place Embedded. Browse your computer, select the image you want to add, and click Place. The image will now appear inside your current document as a new layer. You can resize or reposition it as needed. Once you're happy with the placement, click the check mark at the top to confirm. And that's it. The image is now added as a layer in your existing Photoshop project.